Hello and welcome to Total IELTS. Peter here, and in today's lesson I'm going to look at IELTS Writing Task 2, multiple questions. We'll go through a simple step-by-step guide on how to write a high-scoring answer, look at the task requirements, and how to plan and structure your essay, which of course includes introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The task requirements for multiple questions is very straightforward. You're asked to answer questions about a topic. In the instructions, you'll usually see 2 questions. Some of the old past papers have 3 questions, but that's extremely rare today. And here's the example we're going to use. Our topic is, the internet is a valuable source of information and has given people the opportunity to gain knowledge. And the 2 questions are, is all information on the internet reliable? And what can be done to control information online? So begin by analyzing the task. Read the topic and the questions carefully to understand what's required in the essay. Then write your introduction in paragraph 1. That's 2 sentences. First one, paraphrase the topic, and second, the thesis statement. Quick reminder on how to paraphrase. Use synonyms, change the form of the word, for example, from verb to noun, and use different grammatical structures. Here's an example of the paraphrase for this topic. Since its inception, the internet has grown to become a source of important information for many. After this, second sentence is your thesis, and basically this states what you're going to do in your essay. Now, for the multiple questions task, paraphrase the questions and say that you will discuss these in the answer. For example, this essay will discuss whether online information is largely accurate and measures that can be taken to ensure untrustworthy content can be controlled. The next and most important step is planning the body paragraphs. For the content of your body paragraphs, it's very simple. Paragraph 2, you answer the first question, and paragraph 3, answer the second one. So for the first question in paragraph 2, is all information on the internet reliable? My answer is no, because people are always pushing their own political and social agendas. Another reason is the lack of regulation. And the supporting details example is the amount of misinformation that was online about the COVID vaccine during the pandemic. Now I have 2 answers here, and I'm just going to go for the first one, people pushing their own agendas. For paragraph 3, the second question, what can be done to control information online? Well, my answer, first of all, is people should be more responsible. Second answer is government should impose restrictions. For example, penalties in the form of financial fines or putting notices on untrustworthy sites. Again, I'm just going to go for one idea, and that's governments should impose restrictions because people cannot be trusted to be responsible. You can pause the video here and read the paragraph 2, or you can click on the link below in the description to go to the website for a full Band 8 sample answer. And the same for paragraph 3. Next one, conclusion. That's where you restate your answers or ideas from the body paragraphs. But be sure to paraphrase them, don't copy and paste them directly, and don't need to include any supporting details. Finally, last step is the final check. That's where you reread your essay and correct any spelling, grammar, or punctuation mistakes. In summary, IELTS Writing Task 2 multiple questions is a very straightforward task. You have a topic and 2 questions about that topic. Topics themselves are usually social topics, nothing controversial or political. Follow the simple step-by-step procedure. Take some time to analyze the task. Read the statement and the questions carefully so you know what you're going to write. Then write your introduction, which of course includes the paraphrase and thesis statement. Most important step is planning your body paragraphs in note form. Don't plan in full sentence form. After that, select which ideas you're going to include in the body paragraphs. Now, base your selection on the type of supporting details that you can provide. Then write your body paragraphs, followed by your conclusion, where you restate, paraphrase your ideas from the body paragraphs. Final check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling, and never try to rewrite anything.